No matter where you come from, the monkey puzzle forests of the southern hemisphere or the colourful jungles of the tropics, we invite you to take a walk through nature here with us in Scotland. Come and camp on our sweeping, singing sand beaches, explore our coastlines, breathe in deeply here, lichen and moss spread across silver birch, wee clues of our clean air. Come and walk our tree-lined trails. Come and swim in our clear waters. Take to the sea from a ferry, a canoe, a kayak, round a peninsula, past a castle. Become part of the waves and the islands. Travel through channels of otters and dolphins, with perhaps only a sea eagle for company. The possibilities are endless here, for the benefits of nature shoot up to the sky and root down into the ground. Come and see for yourself. In Scotland, you have the right to roam freely. Even our smallest creatures welcome you. We want to share these views with you, so come and join us in the ancient oak woods beside the beach's rock pools. Scotland's nature awaits.